Guys, it's an absolutely beautiful day. I want to carry on this raised bed project. Last week we weren't able to finish off in time, but this week we want to crack on. There's a couple more things we want to get done, get it finished, so we can move on to other projects. So the wall is pretty much finished, ready to paint. Actually, yesterday I came along and just made a simple sand and concrete mortar and filled in all the gaps. So that's all ready. This morning I was just grinding off the top section because we're going to put some nice wood on top here, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. And then I just took back some sand so I don't get the brush on the dirt. Ready to paint. We're just going to paint it a simple white. I don't know how many coats I'm going to have to do, but let's start, get this project done. I think it's definitely going to take a few coats. But anyway, let's crack on. So all the painting is done. I think it turned out absolutely great. I ended up doing 2 layers. I probably could have done 3, but I didn't have enough paint. But I think it will be fine. It looks so good. Now I want to start working on the wood that I'm going to do on the top. What we're going to use on top of the concrete for the beds is we're going to use this. It's a 3.5 centimeter by 15 centimeter. We're actually going to do exactly the same as what we did in the greenhouse with the raised beds, and in the summer greenhouse is we're going to do the Japanese Sushugi barn. Because this is rough lumber, this is just pine, rough lumber. So the best way to treat it is just to burn it. Take a blowtorch, burn it down. We're going to scrape it, put on some linseed oil, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful, and it's going to last a hell of a lot longer here in Mongolia. It's taken me a good couple of hours to burn all the wood, to brush it down, but I'm glad it's done. It looks really, really good. I'm not going to oil it now. Once I put it on, cut it and screw it into the concrete, then we'll oil it at the end. So before we actually attach this wood, never a good idea to attach wood, especially untreated wood, directly to concrete. Concrete sucks in the water, and then if this is directly on the concrete, this will rot out very, very fast. I can't remember overseas what they call it. You get it in a roll and you just roll it out. Here they don't have it, but we had the same problem when we built the greenhouse. So what we did is we actually buy foam flooring that they put underneath floors when you do your house, and just cut it to size. Well, I managed to get this one on all the way down on the one side. Now I need to work on the other side, and it's really dirty job. Really dirty. Okay, one done, one more to do.
This looks strange.
Very someone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Flaming.
Good morning.
We're actually taking a break from finishing off those raised beds. Got a phone call from an acquaintance of ours who actually has a farm here in Mongolia, and he's got a whole bunch of extra compost for us. We need compost as soon as possible. I have to pot up all my chili plants, and we have a lot to grow, this season. So when somebody says that they have some free compost, we're gonna go get it. But they have a truck, so we can use their truck to bring it here, but they want some help to actually pack it in the truck. So we're all up this morning. Walzula's here and her family's here as well, so they're going to come give us a hand putting all the stuff in the car. We're going to drive probably around 40 minutes. So 40 minutes drive to the farm. So we'll take you along and show you about getting compost here in Mongolia. All right, we got to get going.
Hi! Hi! We're going to countryside. Hi!
So, very kind enough for the farmer here, American guy named Kurt. He said we can take from the compost pile. It's really great, really good compost. The aged cow manure, no, aged horse manure. So we're gonna have to filter it out, but it's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna take one truck for now, and then we'll get some more in a couple of weeks. Very good. One truck full now. We're just gonna wait for the driver, and he's gonna take the truck back to our place. At least one truck of compost, but we're gonna need a lot more. Hi, done?
Yes!
Finally, the aged horse manure has arrived. It's a good couple of years old. We actually got in a bit late last night. We had so many problems with this truck. That's why it is still here. We ended up getting a couple of flat tires. Plus it was struggling to go over one of the mountains. So this truck needs to go for a service. So the farmer has just left his truck here. He'll come pick it up in a day or two and fix all the tires and give it a service and things like that. Which is fine for me because I need to clean all this. It's going to be a big job. We need to sift it all down before we can use it. But that's for another day. But before that, I want to go and finish off these raised beds so we can move on to another project. So finally we got the raised beds finished. Good to have that project done. Now we can start moving on to the next project, and that's sorting out this back area. So we got a delivery of gravel, and we got a digger here. It's going to start leveling out this ground because we're going to build a new greenhouse here at the back. So been waiting to sort out this back area for a really long time. Yeah, so we're going to get this sorted out, and hopefully in the next week or so we can start building a greenhouse. Really exciting. So the whole level's been flattened off. It looks a lot better than what it was, but still there's a lot of work to fix it and to make it look nice. Some retaining walls and all different things. So a lot of work still to do. But anyway guys, we're going to end the video here. Thank you so much. We love your support. And next week we'll get back to doing a lot more work. Guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. We finally got all the compost done. It's 5:30 in the afternoon now. We started this, I think, 10 o'clock in the morning. We've just been cracking on the whole day, but man, whew, I'm exhausted. Definitely need to get an automated system next year. Yeah. Soon, over the next couple of days, I need to start potting up all the chilies. All right, I need to go in and make some dinner for Flame. Okay. I'm so tired. All right, I need to go in and make some dinner for Flame and for Zula. We'll pick this up tomorrow.